Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2011 Mercedes Benz G Wagon. So from any screen, you've got nav up there, so you can either use these buttons here, the 4 buttons, to select the Navi, or you can just click the Navi button there. But now we want directions. Click the OK button. You've got guide here, position and destination at the bottom. So I want destination, so click the arrow across the destination, click OK. Address entry, cancel route guidance. So address entry there, and then using the arrows, you see the arrows there, just to highlight the bottom menu. You've got map, country, town or postcode. Postcode's the easiest way. So once you've selected postcode, we're then Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltneydale, Preston, P R. Now it defaults to numbers. 5 4. It's not the fastest system I've ever used. J. And then we want S to finish off. S, click OK. PR54JS is highlighted there, click OK. And you've got start. It's already on start, but you can see there, if I move the arrows, it's just make sure it's on start and click OK. Do you want to cancel the current route guidance? Well, I'd already put one in, but
the route is being calculated.
But I got it
Please
wrong.
Follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
With my big fingers, so I had to do it again. So anyway, that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this Mercedes Benz G Wagon. It's 2011. So from any screen, we click telephone here. You've got telephone down there and call list down here. So we knock the arrow down to telephone, click OK for telephone, and you've got Bluetooth telephone there. If it's not on there, just navigate to it using these arrows, click OK, and it's got Bluetooth telephones. I just need to go down to my phone, and then you've got options at the right hand side. So we'll click the right arrow, click OK, and you've got deauthorize. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. Make sure that's highlighted and click OK. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Mercedes Benz G Wagon. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. And then from any screen, you can either use the arrows here to navigate to the top menu and then across the telephone, or just click the telephone button there. But we want telephone down here, so arrow down till telephone's highlighted, click OK. I think that's actually picking up somebody else's phone on the car park, but you want Bluetooth telephones there, click OK. And then it brings up a list of everybody's phone connected, but we want update at the top, and it's not always immediately obvious, so it's searching for a maximum of 10 Bluetooth telephones. So it's brought my phone up at the bottom. So navigate down. It's the same pairing, unsuccessful there, but that was the other phone on the car park. Click OK. Now I have to enter a code, which for ease of use I'll just put 4 noughts in, and then we have to use the right arrow to click across to OK, click OK. Authorizing Barry's iPhone, again 00000, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it paired to the mobile there, and that's it. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. The more iPhone's iOS system gets updated, the longer it seems to take to pair older vehicles. But that's it done.